Have you done all you can to make sure consumers can find the products you sell? Whether you're a retailer or a brand owner, if you aren't using the GS1 SmartSearch standard, you will be missing sales simply because consumers can't find your products or don't trust the information they see. Today, 70% of all sales are influenced by information consumers find on the web, whether they purchase online or at the store. And e-commerce sales continue to grow significantly across all product categories around the world. There's never been a more important time to make the information about the products you sell visible and accurate. GS1 SmartSearch enables you to use standardized and structured product information so that search engines can display your products with more accuracy and detail. So, how does it work? Most web pages today contain unstructured data that is difficult for search engines to understand. GS1 SmartSearch structures data to make it much easier for search engines to understand and use more accurate product information. And what are the results? Pilots have shown that products with structured data appear high in relevant search results, and that higher search positions lead to a 30% increase in web traffic. With this level of search relevance and visibility, your consumers will be able to find and buy exactly what they're looking for. After all, seeing is buying. To find out more, including how to participate in our pilot program, visit www.gs1.org/GS1 SmartSearch.